Hey everyone, today I am going to be showing you how to make these cupcakes inspired by gardenia flowers. The first thing we're going to need is to make cupcakes. You can choose to make whatever kind that you'd like, but I did chocolate today. For the petals of the flowers, we're going to use a Wilton tip 104. I do like this one for flower petals, it just works really well. What you're gonna do is put the tip into the piping bag, and you're going to have the fatter side facing down and the thinner side facing up. After you make the bud in the center of the cupcake, you are going to start making the petals, working from the inside out. So you want to put light pressure on the piping bag and kind of just draw it out in a fan shape, and then overlap each petal as you go. As you get out further, you can go more at an angle to make the petals look more open. Then when you're done with all the petals, we're going to add a little bit of green leaves just to give the cupcake a little bit more dimension. And we're going to use this leaf tip. Now with the leaf tips, you want to pipe perpendicular to the surface you're working on so the leaf actually comes out in the right pattern. And I'm gonna go through all my cupcakes and fill any holes with green leaves just to make them look more full and more realistic. This is a really easy way to make cupcakes look a lot more expensive and elegant, and I have used this in the past to make a cupcake bouquet instead of a floral bouquet, which is a really nice edible gift if you're giving it to someone for Mother's Day or a birthday. This is a really nice way to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you've never done buttercream flowers before, that you give this a try. Let me know what your favorite thing to pipe is in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.